Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm unboxing this month's Glossy box, and I got the floral box. I did have two different boxes this month, one fruity and one floral. Obviously I got the floral one. Now Glossy box, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box, all beauty items like makeup, skincare, hair care products, and you do get 5 products in the box. They can be full sizes, deluxe sizes, and the price is £13.25. I do keep a link in the description box, you guys, if you ever want to go over and subscribe or check it out for more information. There is always a link and more information in the description box for you guys as well. I can't wait to see what's inside of this month's box. The packaging is just so beautiful. I love all the flowers and it's nice and glossy as well. I'm definitely going to be keeping this box, store some things in, I don't know yet. So I'm going to open it up. That's what the inside looks like. Each box you do get a description card, and I will go through that in a minute. And then here's the tissue paper and then the ribbon. I will read the description card first and tell you a bit more about this month's box. So like I said, you do get the floral and then there is a fruity box as well. The fruity box obviously has fruits on. So it just says down here for the description of this box: Hey Glossies, we're celebrating spring this month with our vibrant fruity or floral editions. You'll receive one of the 2 special design boxes bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flowery fragrances. Our April editions are filled with 5 scented products, including a revitalising overnight skincare treatment filled with botanical goodness and a perfume exclusively packaged to match our fruity and floral glossy boxes. We've also included a extra treat. Enjoy. And then you do get all the product information inside. We do have a May sneak peek on the back, and it looks like we get a product from Barry M. In May, we'll be treating you to one of 2 amazing makeup sets by Barry M. Either the Chisel Cheek Contour Cream Kit or the Cosmic Lights Highlighter Palette. They both include 6 cream and powder shades that will help define your features and give you a flawless finish. Wow. I don't know which one I want more, the contour or the highlight. I don't know. Right, so I'm just going to open it up now. You'll get the first sneak peek. And that's what it looks like inside the box. Just going to pop it onto the side. So the first product is by DUPER. And this is the Zingy Ginger Body Butter. It says very dry skin formula, no parabens, colours, mineral oils or any of the other usual suspects. This is a 300ml tub. I'm just going to read a little bit more about this product from the actual booklet that we get with it. So it says that you'll receive one of the 2 lusciously-scented body butters, either Zingy Ginger or Fruity Green Tuberose. Formulated with 97% naturally derived ingredients, including nourishing shea butter and moisturizing macadamia oil. These 100% vegan and cruelty-free body butters smooth and hydrate your dry skin. Simply massage it into your body every day for a soft and deeply moisturized complexion. Now this is £10. That's quite a good price for a 300ml body moisturizer. A really good price. So it's just a white body butter. It smells absolutely amazing, very fresh and gingery. It smells absolutely beautiful. So the next product is by the brand Origin Source, and it's raspberry and rose water shower gel, hydrating water infusion, 3 times moisturizing vitamin and antioxidant blend. It does smell really, really nice. I love raspberry scent. So it says, blooming with a gorgeous raspberry and rose scent, this hydrating body wash is a treat for both your skin and your senses. It's infused with vitamins, antioxidants and moisturizing ingredients that nourish and detox your body from the outside in. Better yet, it's paraben free and vegan. Get ready for happy and healthy looking skin. This is a full size for £2.30. The next product is by dr.pawpaw, and it's the Hot Pink Balm. Multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishes with a hint of tint. This is a 25ml tube. It says tinted balm, hydrates and adds colour to lips and cheeks. So it is a hot pink colour and it does kind of go sheer when you rub it in. It doesn't have a scent, so it doesn't smell like anything. It is very moisturising. I can definitely feel the moisturiser in there. So it says about this product, formulated with moisturising pawpaw fruit, this lip balm boosts the same fruity formula as the original balm, but with an added on-trend pink tint. It nourishes and hydrates your pout while adding a touch of colour. Apply to your lips for a glossy finish or to your cheeks for a fresh and rosy look. This is a full size for £6.95. The next product is by Palmer's and it's a chia seed and argan oil hair mask. Ooh, hair mask. Deeply repairs and boosts hydration. And this is a 30ml sachet, so that'll do my whole hair. A hand blended cocktail of nature's most nourishing and strengthening botanicals. Natural fusions take the guesswork out of DIY home blended concoctions and use only the purest ingredients to care for your hair. So it says about chia seed, this superfood helps strengthen and protects new growth. And then argan oil, the liquid gold standard in rejuvenating dull, lifeless hair. So I do believe this is the extra treat. It says we're also treating you to an intensive and deeply conditioning hair mask that nourishes dry and damaged locks. It's formulated with argan oil, which boosts hydration and regenerates dull hair, as well as chia seed, which protects your hair. Apply to clean and wet hair from roots to tip. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse. This is a deluxe size and it's worth £1.99. A full size, which is 60 grams, is £2.99. So the next product I do believe was the sneak peek from last month, and it's the Dr.Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. And this is a 30ml tube. It just says in the booklet, wake up with an energized and refreshed complexion thanks to this regenerating sleeping mask. Rich in moisturizing pomegranate, it's all natural and vegan formula deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin. Apply a thin layer to clean and dry skin before bed, then let the mask work its magic while you sleep. This is a deluxe size worth £14. The full size is worth £19. I feel like I'm getting ill. My throat is killing. But I have tried Dr. Botanicals before and it's really good. So I'm happy to get another sleeping mask. The last product is not from a brand that I'm aware of. It says Jean Arthurs. Don't know how to say it. I'll have it here somewhere. Let your dreams blossom. Eau de perfume. But this is a 30ml perfume. And let's spray it and have a little sniff. It's very floral. It smells nice. I do like it. And it says about this product, produced by Jean Arthurs and bottled in bespoke floral packaging that matches the design of your box. This perfume boosts a gorgeous woody and floral fragrance. It blends soft rose petal and cedarwood with delicate notes of lily, freesia and amber to create a luscious scent that will delight your senses. This is a full size worth £20.99. It does smell very nice. It is definitely floral, but it's not like too much of a floral, if you know what I mean. I would definitely wear it. I'm not much of a floral person, but it does smell nice. So that was everything in this month's glossy box. Now I'm happy with this box. It's mostly focused on skincare, but it has got one hair mask, which I'm happy about. I do love a good hair mask. So it's a really good box. I'm definitely going to be using these products. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here, but it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.